Welcome sa part 4 ng ating set 2 for our review. We are doing numbers 21 to 25. We have here a situation. So Anne, Bill, and Carl and Dan work in the same office building. Dan works in the basement, while Anne, Bill, and Carl share an office on level X. At any given moment of the day, they are all typing at their desk. Bill likes a window seat. Anne likes to be near the bathroom, and Carl prefers a seat next to the door. Their three cubicles do not line up. So what informations are provided? So meron tayong building and then si Carl, si Bill and si Ann are on the same level, no? Sa level X. So if this is our floor X, ito yung X natin, si Ann, si Bill, and then si Carl are on the same floor, no? Tapos si Dan naman nasa baba, nasa basement si Dan. Alright? So anong alam natin dito? Three cubicles do not line up. So itong ABC, they are not collinear. They are not forming a straight line, ha? Itong tatlo. So level X can be called what? Ito yung level X. It can be called as Ann, Bill, and Carl. So what is that? Letter A, alright? Plain Ann, Bill, and Carl. Hindi pwedeng Ann and Bill lang kasi nga si Carl lang dito. Hindi rin pwedeng plain Dan kasi nga si Dan wala dito si Dan. And yung letter D doesn't make sense, alright? Number 22. If level X represents a plane, then level X has, again, ang plane natin is composed of infinitely many points, extending, no, infinitely. So, mali yung letter A, no points. Letter B, only 3 points, mali rin. Finite, letter D is the answer. Number 23. If Ann and Bill represent points, then point Ann has depth. Again, yung point natin, walang depth, walang length, no? So, lahat ng may has dyan, mali yan lahat automatic. Yung tamang sagot is letter D for number 23. Number 24 tayo. If Ann and Bill and Carl represent points, then points Ann, Bill, and Carl are what? So, again, sinabi natin earlier, silang tatlo, they are on the same plane, right? A, B, C. Si Ann, Bill, and Carl. So, ang tawag sa kanila? Hindi nga sila collinear, di ba? They don't line up. So, mali yan. Non-collinear sila, yes. And coplanar, they lie on the same plane. Letter B yung ating tamang sagot. Number 25. A line segment between Carl and Dan. A line segment drawn between Carl and Dan. So, si Dan nandito. Si Dan. So, may line segment dyan, no? Between Carl and Dan. Anong tawag daw? Collinear and non-coplanar. So, remember natin, itong dalawa, they form a line, right? Ito. And always remember, yung line natin, ang lahat ng points na nasa line are called collinear and coplanar at the same time. So, ito, mali yan. Mali yan. Mali. D is our answer for number 25. Follow for more.